Hi there, welcome back to my channel where today we'll be going through ED and ING adjectives in English, so next time you know exactly which to choose. So let's begin. First, what are some common examples of adjectives in English which can take both endings? Excited, exciting. Tired, tiring. Bored, boring. Frightened, frightening. If I were to get these wrong, then the meaning could completely change. If we take, for example, the sentence, I am bored, compared to, I am boring. The first one means you're disinterested, you're not into that, you are bored. However, if you use the second one, this implies that you are the reason for the boredom. You are not fun. The general rule is adjectives that end in ed describe how we feel in the moment, the emotion. Two examples of this could be, I am interested in languages, or I am frightened of the dark. The rule for adjectives that end in ing are that these describe the thing that causes the emotion, how the thing affects you, or the characteristic of the situation. The same sentences previously, we could say languages are interesting, languages are causing the interest, or the darkness is frightening. The darkness causes fright. Make sure you practice and take your time using these until you feel more comfortable and it becomes a natural part of your speech without you having to think. If you have any further questions, then let me know in the comments. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more English lessons. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.